Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best in product reviews and recommendations. And today, we have something special in store for you. If you're in the market for the best weed trimmer, you're in the right place. Introducing the Black+Decker 20 volts max * Power Connect 10N 2 inches 1 cordless string trimmer, edger plus sweeper combo kit. This powerhouse of a tool is a game changer for your lawn care needs. Let me tell you why this combo kit is turning heads. First, it's a 2-in-1 design. It easily rotates 180 degrees from a cordless string trimmer to an edger, giving you versatility like never before. And check this out: adjustable height and a soft grip handle for your comfort and control. Say goodbye to those uncomfortable trimming sessions. No more bumping. The AFS automatic feed spool continuously feeds trimmer line for seamless, uninterrupted trimming. It's a total game changer. Now, let's talk about the sweeper. It's ideal for clearing driveways, sidewalks, decks, and garages of grass clippings, leaves, and other debris. Keep your outdoor spaces spotless with ease. One thing you'll love about this kit is the quiet operation. It keeps noise to a minimum while you work. No more disturbing the peace in your neighborhood. And here's the best part: it's lightweight. The string trimmer edger weighs only 4.5 pounds, and the sweeper is just 3.7 pounds. Say goodbye to heavy, cumbersome equipment. With two 1.5Ah 20 volts max Power Connect batteries, you'll have consistent power to get the job done. They're compatible with other tools in the system, making your life even easier. So, there you have it, folks. The Black+Decker 20 volts max * Power Connect 10N 2 inches 1 cordless string trimmer, edger plus sweeper combo kit, the best weed trimmer on the market for all your lawn care needs. Don't miss out on this fantastic tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome product reviews. And as always, you can find the link to purchase this fantastic combo kit in the video description below. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.